Standard 5th, Subject E.V.S. 2, Lesson number 1, What is History? Part 4. Students, today we will learn about 1.4, the past and the future. The past, present and future are linked by a continuous chain of events. For example, the Indian people fought against the British government to get independence. This is a historical action. As a result, India became an independent nation on 15th August 1947. So we can say that the independence was a consequences of an action, that is, the Indian people struggle for independence. In this way, the events of today are linked with past actions. When we understand this, we realize that the future depends on the past events. This is what we learn from the history. For example, we learn that man began to make tools from material available in nature, that he learned how to make use of fire, and that he invented the wheel. The next generations added to these developments. Technology developed further hand in hand with the physical and intellectual development of man. This process is going on continuously even today. Inventions of today are only possible on the foundation of the discoveries and inventions of the past. Students, just recall that what we have learned in this lesson. The time before the birth of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was 400 years ago or 400 years before now. The past includes many events that have already taken place. The science that tries to understand past events is called history. The method of using different tests to determine the reliability of evidence is described as the scientific method. It is not possible to recreate the events that have happened in the past. History is not written solely on the basis of imagination. It provides guidelines about present behavior to shape a good future. It inspires and motivates us by telling the life stories of great people. History of science tells us about the scientists, scientific discoveries that brought about changes in human civilization. The past, present, and future are linked by a continuous chain of events. Every historical action has its consequences. Events of present time are linked with past actions. Our future depends on past events. We learn from the past experiences. Invention of today became possible due to discoveries and inventions in the past. Students, I hope that you all understood this lesson. Thank you.